Hi, yesterday I got a box of orange as a gift from my friend. Orange in Chinese is same pronounced as Cheng, means success. So I hope everybody can have a successful new year in 2024. If you do not know this orange, this orange is quite special. And if you do not know this orange, you can try to search by the people's name, Chu Si Jian, and also search the name of the orange. You will get the information. So in 2024, our task will be 3 items. One, we will keep maintaining relationship with our current customers. Currently, we export to Europe and Singapore. And second one, we will try to focus on the market in USA. At the second half of this year, we already opened the US market through one of our customer. And currently we have 2,500 ton UCO in the tank terminal, and the boat will departure maybe in next few weeks. The third, we will try to develop a new market in South Korea and Japan. Those two markets, they are emerging, but the volume is not there yet. I estimate they will pick up in 1 or 2 years. So we got quite a few inquiry from people from in South Korea and Japan. I cut and paste some news regarding US market, and in 2024 they already pick up, and from our end we already saw that. That's in January, uh, I will travel to Canada and New York, then from New York to middle of USA and to the west coast. We will see a few end user and trading company. That's our first task. That's some news regarding South Korea market, and they set up a biodiesel goal. So I hope they can start in 2024, but I don't think there will be a big volume. Then the market in Japan will follow. We already signed a LOI with a few Japanese companies. That's a letter of intent. Okay, Happy New Year. Hope everybody have a successful New Year in 2024. Thanks for watching.